Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to freeze rows in Excel. Okay, so if you new on this channel, I'm requesting you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So without time wasting, guys, let's start the video. Let's go on my Excel sheet. So here we are going to see how to lock the bands or how to lock top rows or two top rows. Okay, you can freeze or lock a column as well as row also. So how it's work. So here I'm going to show you this is my the sample data, and you can see this is a total. If you assume this is total and this is my data. Okay, so when I scroll down, I want to lock my or pin my this three column at top. I don't want to scroll up it. Okay, so when I want to, if I want to pin this three column and top, so simply I have to click on this four, because above three I want to pin. Okay, so go to the review and go to the view and find the freeze and click on the freeze panel. You can see the top three column has been raw is locked, and it is pinned at top. Okay, so this is how you can pin, or you can pin or freeze the multiple rows, and you can freeze a single row also. So I just undo it. So I want to, so so now I'm going to show you how to lock your column also as well row also. So at the same time, how you can lock row and column. So if this is a header, okay, above this I want to lock freeze. Oh, and this is my column. So I want to when I scroll down, I want to header to lock, and when I swap left right, I want to freeze. I want to freeze my this serial number a column. Okay, so simply you have to click here and go to the freeze and click on freeze panel. So you can see the header has been locked now, and when I pen right left, the my column also lock. Okay, so this is how you can fix the column and row also. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and comments below.